Hi, and thanks for stopping by. You guessed it, it's Bill with Great Lakes Specialty Vehicles and DeltaTankers.com, bringing you our newest addition to the stock demo, ready to deliver two-wheel drive international rescue. SCBA seating for 3 in the rear, 1 in the front. Slidemaster slide-out tray. Real power 15,000 watt generator. ROM painted roll-up doors. Multiple adjustable shelves, an additional Slidemaster shelf. SCBA spare bottle storage for 6. Slide-out tool boards. It's an all aluminum body. LED tripod lighting from Fire Research. Slidemaster full extension 1,000-pound rated tray. Tilt down. 6 more SCBA storage bottles. For more information, GreatLakesSpecialtyVehicles.com or DeltaTankers.com. Stay safe.